Did your SmartLynx flight get delayed, canceled, or did you miss a connecting flight? Don't worry, you could be entitled to compensation. In this video, I'll show you how to claim compensation quickly and easily for any disruptions with SmartLynx using Compensaire. Trusted by travelers worldwide, Compensaire makes the process hassle-free, handling everything for you. Let's get started. First, go to Compensaire. While you can search for it online, it's safer to use the secure link in the video description to avoid phishing sites. Once you're on the site, start by entering your SmartLynx flight details, such as the departure and destination cities, flight number, and travel date. You can find this information on your e-ticket or flight confirmation email. Next, provide your personal details, such as your full name and email address. Compensaire takes privacy seriously, so all your information is kept secure. After filling out all the required fields, take a moment to double-check the information for accuracy, then click Submit to process your claim. Compensaire will handle the rest, contacting SmartLynx and working to secure the compensation you deserve. Just sit back and wait for updates. Once your claim is successful, you'll receive an email notification, and your compensation will be transferred directly to your preferred account. And that's all it takes. With Compensaire, getting compensation for delayed, canceled, or missed SmartLynx flights is easy and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.